everyone, welcome to Audumbar classes. In today's video lecture, we will discuss multiple choice question from ISS exam year 2022 paper 1 set A. Question number 58. Suppose a person has 10 black, 8 red, 5 green, 12 orange and 15 blue balls. The chi-square value obtained after testing null hypothesis that the colors of the ball occur with equal frequency is, and here 4 options are given. Okay, so in this example we want to find out chi-square value. So here we take help of a chi-square test of goodness of fit. Now when we are talking about chi-square test of goodness of fit, we need two value. One is observed, another is the estimated value, right? So in our first statement, observed values are given. Here what is given in the first statement? Colors of ball and its frequency is given. So here occurrence of black ball is 10, frequency of red ball is 8, frequency of green ball is 5, that of orange is 12 and frequency of blue ball is 15, right? So this is our first observed value. This is O2, this is O3, this is O4 and this is O5. 5 observed values are given. Now what we need? We need estimated value. So under null hypothesis, it is given that colors of the ball occur with equal frequency. How many colors of ball are there? 5 colors. So under H0 we will get E1 equals to E2 equals to E3 equals to E4 equals to E5. Why here we are writing all values are equal? Because it occur with equal frequency. Okay. Now what is the formula for chi-square? So it is summation OI minus EI square upon EI. Okay. Here range of I is 1 to n. So in our example there are 5 values. So here we will write summation over I takes value 1 to 5 OI minus EI square upon EI. Now here we know the values of OI, okay, but we don't know value of EI. So first of all we have to find out value of EI. How we can do that? So we know that when we are discussing chi-square test of goodness of fit, there is one linearity constraint, and under linearity constraint we write summation OI equals to summation EI. Okay. So now if we will add all these observed value, so we will get here 50 and here all values are equal, right, under H0. So we can write down 5 into EI. So value of EI will be 10. Okay. So now we got value of EI and all observed value. Let's put it in the formula. So here we will get chi-square calculated is equals to. So first OI minus EI. 10 minus 10, it is 0, right? So 0 square will be 0. So our first term is 0 plus. Second value is what? 8 minus 10, its square. So minus 2 square is 4 plus 5 minus 10 square. Again what it is? It is 5. 5 square is 25 plus. Next is 12 minus 10. So it is 2. 2 square is 4 plus 15 minus 10. What it is? It is 5. 5 square is 25 divided by EI. What is the value of EI? It is 10. So this is equals to 58 by 10. So here it is 5.8. Right? So correct answer is option B, 5.8. For more videos, like, share and subscribe the channel.